Our first visit to the island of Mallorca was in April 2023. We have always stayed at the Globalis Palmanova in Palmanova. We had seen one of the boat tours stop at Mule Playa Palmanova, which is about a 10-minute walk from our hotel. We spoke to another guest at our hotel and they recommended we give it a try. At the time of recording, the tickets were around €20 each and we purchased ours from Lemon Tours, near the McDonald's in Palmanova. We passed Playa de Escarregada on the way to our first destination. The boat took us up near Portals Naus and anchored there for about 30 minutes, giving anyone on board the opportunity for a quick swim in the sea. There are toilets on board and facilities for snacks and drinks. Downstairs, below the waterline, are observation windows. We next headed towards Playa de Magaluf, passing the beaches of Playa de Palmanova and Playa de Sant Maties. We headed around Isla de Saparasa, just off the coast of Magaluf. The boat continued on past Platja de Collavines, taking us further south along the coast. Next we passed the residential neighborhood of Sol de Mallorca. The final destination was the lighthouse, Faro de Colla Figura. The whole tour was around 2 hours in total and good value for money. The staff were on hand to help anyone with mobility issues, on and off the boat. We return to the island in 2024 and 2025, and have plans to return in the near future.